Hi guys, Rich Podrick here, and today we'll be talking about the best 5 ways to make money in 2019 online. So, the number first is to start a blog the right way. To make a passive income from blogging, you need to mentally transition from being just a blogger to being a seller. This physical shift will allow you to see things from the previous and business owner. This why they aren't blogging as a hobby but can start scale your system like a real business. First, you need to understand that currency ways to monetize blog based on the lifestyle age of your blog. For example, when you are just starting and don't have much traffic, it doesn't make sense to worry about adding advertisement or affiliate links all over your site. When starting, choose the niche based on the audience revenue potential and high-ending B2B consultant. By starting from the day one selling consulting service to business and not low-price product, individual, you can start making thousands of dollars a month from the owners. So let us just begin your epic blogging journey by getting a domain name and WordPress hosting. From my experience, I would advise that you go to Bluehost. They are host WordPress recommendation, and more importantly, Bluehost offer all the features needed created a sense revelation fast blog on WordPress. So this was number one method, and now we're going to number two method to make money online in 2019. So number two is start an online course. Over the last 5 years, we have seen revolution the digitalization of education. You no longer have to be stated to four walls in the classroom to get top-notch education. Unsteadily, people are embracing this visual version of modern education, and they happy purchase online courses. You can leverage this digital shift by starting an online course, as well as if you have excellent knowledge of share, people will listen to you and you don't need to phone to begin your online class, just as a strong background in the topic you can care about. The first question to ask yourself is what the problem my course is solving. The online course platform you choose should allow you to manage the full education progress. It should also intelligent with owner solutions like Mail, Coachline, and Google Analytics. There are many great platforms in the Teachable, Podia, Ruzuki, and many other. Ultimately, the online course platform I recommended is Thinkenfield. So that was number two method. So now we are going to third method, which I think is the most powerful, which I used to think. The third method is called affiliate marketing. It takes more than just joining the high-paying affiliate programs and adding affiliate links all over your site to make passive income. You need traffic. I recommend affiliate marketing as a strategy number 3 when it comes to making money online. Whereas digital marketing touches requires in-front spend, affiliate marketing can make you extra money and additional revenue. It's a great way to make extra money with hitting your bottom line, like a commercial or other online store sales. Let's say you are recommending the affiliate products and make $20 per sale. If 2% of yourself who click your affiliate links convert into customers on the merchant's website, you need to click 50 clicks to one affiliate link to make one sale to get 50 clicks on that site affiliate link. If your affiliate you make need 1000 visits to that page. In this scenario, to make $1,000, it could require 50,000 visitors that blog post. Recommended this makes sure the creation review post that can include the 5 affiliate programs in the articles, and at the minimum That way you are increasing the likelihood of outbought affiliate link clicks and the potential to make more customers. Additionally, and affiliate links to different type of the content, blog post, emails, video overuse X. From my experience, affiliate links work better when embarrassing it affiliate website reviews, where you write an individual helpful analytics of particular products. You should add them into the in-depth tutorials related into the products, plus they fit well in the automated welcome email threads. When they launch, while you can should add affiliate links and you block content at any times when appropriate. You should expect to make a lot of money from the affiliate marketing until your blogs is 5-7 months old. After high-act consulting and selling your online course, affiliate marketing is the final piece of the passive income puzzle. Now, to maintain your blog with the new content and platforms, you will enjoy passive incomes throughout affiliate marketing. So that was, I think, the most powerful way to make money in 2019. It was affiliate marketing, but we have two more still strong ways. So number 4 is investments and passive income. Investment and personal finance are the keys to growing wealth. While you may not be able to take control of the real estate investment like Warren Buffett or rental products like Donald Trump, you can still make a substantial return from the investments. This is done by leveraging real estate as the passive income course and using these incomes investment as a means of the gain financial freedom with the cash flowing outside of your job. Whatever you take part in the ERA or REIT, multiple funds, index funds, P2P-led platforms like funders, ETFs, real estimated investments turns into high-yield FDIC instrument saving accounts. The way to earn money are endless. If you are looking for how to make passive income, one great possibility is the investment and highly dividend stocks. The annual rates are more impressive than you can get from your bank investments. The potential for the capital appreciation is vast. Therefore, you have dual windows for profit accounts from your capital gains as well as from your devices. While not famously exploding, there are great investment opportunity in lending clubs, peer-to-peer lending, and social media trading platforms are swarming in the internet, and you can regularly live on. The investments rates are spectacle. The financial things is that you can go also lows as investment your 30 piece of money into the loan, and you can even invest as many as 80 loans. The choice is always yours, but it's very rare to see your conventional investments mess the crashing out interest rates from the lending clubs. You can go to extremes or passive incomes to buy and bring automatically to your passive incomes generation. Throughout this approach, you can get the algorithms from the robo-advisor. They manage your investments while you thrown away. All you would have to do is nail your risk volume and let the algorithms rock and roll. CDS, which is centralized of deposits, are also low investment opportunity for those seeking reasonable incomes. The fact that interest rates or CD are lagged and regardless of the voluntary interest rates, making it more investing IDEX funds are effective low-risk investments options if you want to step into the stock market. Cooperating bonus is that stimulation for the investments when seeking passive incomes avenues. So that was fourth method. which is quite risky, but it's even better that your bank account or something like that. So, and we are going to our last method in how to make money online is licensing. Here's the fact: many people don't know that experience power of licensing is the luxury, since ideas are running the world, the business are dropping from them. Open in innovation beginning in trading and business jumping in ideas. Manufacturers estimated if you have significant intelligent property, you are in the front of the big thing. Licensing is intelligent property is becoming impressively profitable for inventors. One of the best business ideas you can come with. You don't need to step into the battlefield of the each hands fire or competition before your product stands. Just your ideas, and you have to do enough. On the other hand, you could bring experienced products under your creative microphones to detect the crash, and well improve these products get a specific value out of the panel. Licensing is one of the most solid passive income savings you can explore. So load as your products with your patents are being sold to external income keeps dancing into your bank account. So guys, it was 5 methods how to make passive income in 2019. Hope that you like this. Please write me in the comment what you want me to tell you about money in the next videos. And as always, be rich and happy. Bye.